is about to pour down. This is the best candle. Ooh, my hand ash smelling candle from Better Homes and Gardens, if you ask me. They have this one. You see, there's only one left. This one smells good. And Coastal Cove smells really good. All of these smell really good. I haven't smelled it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like that one. But it smells like a grown black man that got his stuff together.
Life insurance policy.
So we just left Walmart and I'm heading back to the house. Oh man, I have no idea what was going on with me. Sorry y'all, I mean y'all probably can't see me. I have no idea what was going on with me. The last night, yesterday, like I did not feel myself at all, and most of today. I just didn't feel myself, and I felt very tired. I felt very weak. Like, I don't know if just me running all the time is just catching up to me all at once or what it is, but I'm feeling more myself. I thought it was gonna rain, but it's just been kind of lightening off in the distance, and it hadn't dropped anything here. So hopefully it doesn't. I'm gonna get my baking done, get some stuff done around the house since I didn't do too much today. I tried to run some orders, but they kept canceling every order that I pulled up because they were behind, and they will cancel it in there to keep them from being behind, because since we've already confirmed that we're there, they don't want to keep getting themselves behind in there. So they'll cancel the pickup, and then it'll get rethrown out afterwards or whatnot. But it's crazy. So I'm gonna get my baking done today so we can get tonight, so we can get our cake order ready. She's picking up at 10 a.m. tomorrow in the morning. So I'm gonna do everything, you know, that I gotta do, and it's not a hard design to do. It's just a 6-inch heart cake, cheetah print on the side, white and pink on the top with pink bows, pink topper that says Big Mama, so I gotta cut that, all that. Yep. So I'm gonna go home and get to getting that done, and then I'll see you guys, because I had to go to the store. That's the reason why we had to run to the store. I had to go to the store because I was out of my baking spray, and I just like using my Baker's Joy. That's what I pride, like, that's my product. I'm gonna use some Baker's Joy in my pans because I've never had a problem with them, and so I'm not gonna change it. If it ain't broke, why fix it? So I'll see y'all when I get to the house. I'll get a better shot this time. $3.25 until this cake will have the cheetah print sides. We're gonna split this in half. This will be our sides with, again, like I said, white with pink accents. Y'all, I have 3 weddings next month. Y'all pray for me. After you are finished whipping your butter, this is just butter. This is what it should look like before you add your powdered sugar and everything else.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here.
Y'all ready to get a haircut? Ready to get a haircut, Case?
Yeah.
Ooh, police.
What? The police car is so fast.
Good morning, you guys. I'm up baking very early. I have my 2 browns ready. I don't have my light on, so it may not be as bright. But it's 4:40 in the morning. Getting these baked fresh for pickup this afternoon. We're gonna go ahead and put these in. Good morning, y'all. So, I went to Walmart last night with John to grab some ink. I got the wrong ink. So, I'm gonna run over here and see if they will exchange it for me. Now, mind you, I got there at about, let's say, 6:25, 6:30. That's what time I got there at Walmart. Yeah, I waited in the electronics department at the Someone's page for 40 minutes for help, for somebody to open the case to give me a cartridge of ink. All right, y'all, I am finished with the cake. Finally, gonna go run and grab breakfast before she comes. I still have about an hour. So I am recycling the old cartridges. The new ones came with a bag to place it in the mailbox. Sitting out there by herself. She's trying to show me a lemonade. What'd you get? Lemonade? Is it good?
Yeah, me got it.
Oh, talking about Casey?
Should I get some noodles?
Don't pick him up. Deshaun. Go get Leah.
Don't you run from me. Don't you run from me. Don't you run from me.
Sweet lovelies, welcome to another day in the vlog. This is going to be the outro to the current vlog that you are looking at. I did not get to come back to you guys after we left from the coast. Y'all, when I tell you, it was like, what's going on, Lord? You know, after that, you know, we unfortunately had something go on with the car on the way back. And when I tell you, it was probably the most inconvenient spot that it could have happened because of where we were at. We were not in a big city, and thankfully it happened right as we were coming up to a truck stop, and so we were able to, you know, guide ourselves on into there, and that's where we were able to wait. You know, thankfully, for if we need to grab something out of the store, you might need to go to the restroom, any of that, all of that. And insurance took hours to find a tow truck that would take the car back home, you know, until we could assess the situation, you know, more thoroughly and get everything going from there. Because it was at night, and so this happened about 9 something. It took over 5 hours for them to find someone to come and get the truck. It was a Sunday. It was late night, like, ugh. But we were there, the kids and I, till about like 4 hours, and Red stayed with the car, and they brought it home. I'm sorry, y'all, that's the ice machine. But the kids and I had to get a car ride, and Uber and all that. That was nowhere near. Well, I told you again, we're in a small town, right outside of the small town at that. Like, there was nothing, but the truck stop that we were at, and thankfully, thank God, I was searching on Facebook because I'm like, somebody has to have something. The taxi services are like, we don't come out of Hattiesburg. you know, or, you know, such, we only do inside the city. You know, we were outside of the city and we need to get back to the city. And it was a Sunday night. So like we were coming back at appropriate time. We were trying to be back, you know, have kids in bed, get ready for school in the morning, but that's just not the way it was supposed to happen, I guess. So I searched on Facebook and I found somebody, thank God, whenever he put this on this man's heart, to do this, or whatever happened on it along his path for him to be right there where we needed him to be. But he does car services, you know, for himself, as far as kind of like, you know, an Uber, a Lyft or stuff like that. But he has his own that he's running without the app. When I tell you, I called this man, this number, and he picked up and he's just asked, okay, where are you? I'm on the way. When you can breathe like that sigh of relief, like, and you have your kids with you, your family with you, and it's just like, what are we gonna do? You know, and just being blessed to be able to do what we were able to do. I mean, it was a little costly ride on the meter to get back here, you know, as it was on the apps as well. When we were searching, I knew about what I was going to pay to get back home. Plus, you know, you have a certain radius with your roadside, sometimes your roadside assistance. We were just outside our radius, had to pay extra on that as well. But thankfully, I mean, you have to take the good with the bad, baby. I mean, that's the only way you're going to get through life these days, is take the good with the bad, okay? And if the good is outweighing that bad, even if it's neck and neck, baby, you still standing and you breathing and you here and you able to make some changes and do something about it and take care of your family still, I'm telling you, you better be thankful. Be thankful for what you have, what you're going through, and just learn along that process, because he's molding you. He's molding you to what he's preparing you for, what you've asked for. I'm pretty sure he's preparing you. But don't mind my head, y'all, because I mean, I have not worn a quick weave in so long, and because of that other night sitting out there in that heat, I sweated my hair out, and I never put any more heat on it again. But it'll be all right. And I did not tie it down the last couple of nights. I just been taking my tail to sleep, and I get up and I'll brush it, but I should not have done that. But it's neither here nor there. I'm thankful that we got back. I'm thankful we're here, because Red had to be to work, kids had to be to school. I did not make them go to school that next morning, because we didn't get back till like 1, 2 in the morning, and they have to turn around and get right back up at 5 o'clock. And I'm not gonna send my babies in there stressed and tired. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna get back, reset, pray about it, be thankful, and move forward. So yeah, I am about to end this vlog. You will see me in the intro of the next vlog in the same thing, because I'm about to get ready to start. I have a cake order that's due tomorrow, so we're gonna be working on that today. We have weddings coming up, you guys. We got weddings. But again, thank you so much for watching this video, my sweet lovelies. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Send it to your friends, send it to your family. Are you interested in cake decorating? Do you decorate cake? Do you like cakes? Do you like a buttercream? Do you like whipped cream? What do you like? Tell me, so we can keep it going and growing over here. I really appreciate you guys so much for watching. Bye.